Oh, good day. I'm Dr. Mensah, and you know my partner and co-founder of Mensah Medical, Dr. Bowman. Folks, I think it's time we had a very serious conversation, discussion surrounding methylation, surrounding chemistry, and most importantly, your pets. So today, we're going to talk about the chemistry of pets. They do have chemistry. They do have thoughts and feelings. Let's discuss them. First of all, I'd like to introduce to you our stars. This is
Princess.
and this is Mr. Fluffy. Now, let's be real. Mr. Fluffy is indeed a service dog. I know what you're thinking. How can we have pets inside Mensah Medical? They're both hypoallergenic, and we just need to share with you our companions that keep many of our staff members very well grounded.
But Doctor, what if you found out about dogs and cats in terms of their chemistry?
I'm glad you asked that question, Dr. Bowman.
Absolutely.
First of all, let's talk about methylation. Methylation is not just for humans, Dr. Bowman. As a matter of fact, those of you out there, guess what? Cats, what do you think they are? Do you think they're undermethylated or overmethylated? Well, if you said undermethylated, you'd be right. Absolutely. Princess there, she's one undermethylated little kitty cat. Okay? So what does that mean? Well, there's a lot of perfectionism that's there with kitty cats, if you haven't noticed. They're also little control freaks, all right? Indeed. Yes, indeed. They will let you pet them when they feel like it, okay? And if they're interested in gracing you with their presence, they will indeed come around. But I also want to share with you, those little creatures can be pyroluric, pyro disorder. If they get into a rageful fit, you can forget about it. Don't bother me. If little Mr. Fluffy even comes close to Kitty when she doesn't like it, she will let him know, okay? You folks have seen that for those of you who have both cats and dogs living together, okay? So let's not give all the press to Kitty here. Let's talk about Mr. Fluffy. Mr. Fluffy tends to be overmethylated. He's very, very affectionate. He has feelings. He knows when you're down. Hey, Kitty is trying to, as usual, Kitty's trying to get all the attention, taken away from Mr. Fluffy. Now, Mr. Fluffy, on the other hand, very empathic. Very empathic. He's there to keep you company. Whenever you're feeling down, he'll come towards you and sit down with you. When you leave for the day, he's waiting at the door when you get back. That's why dog is man's best friend. And I want to be fair. Let's be politically correct. We are not promoting either dogs or cats as being one better than the other. However, we just want you to know that depending on the type of person you are, here's what you're seeing in your pets, and here's the why. Okay? So when we're talking about moody creatures, which one do you think is going to be more moody? A high histamine kitty or the overmethylated little puppy dog? Guess what? Kitty. High histamine pyroluric. Mood swings. Rageful. Happy, sad, tearful. All within the drop of an eye. And not necessarily the most friendly all the time. Okay? But if you want a protective companion, a protective mate, consider Mr. Fluffy or one like him. They'll be with you, keeping you calm, protected, and they'll be guarding you for dear life. Kitty, on the other hand, could care less. So, let's just keep these wonderful thoughts in mind. Kitties and doggies are people too when it comes to chemistry. Okay? They have their thoughts, their feelings, their emotions, their attitudes, and well, let's just say, sometimes they can indeed live together. I'm Dr. Mensah and Dr. Bowman for your pets today.